Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. The famous Khuzwayo is trending on Twitter just because Umusa Kawola, the entertainment blogger, shared shocking news of Khuzwayo isigaxa sendaba. Apparently, Lee is divorcing her husband. Musta posted a series of tweets. One tweet reads as follows: Khuzwayo is divorcing her husband, Michael Mhlanga. Khuzwayo has moved out of her marital home in Johannesburg and has moved back home in Durban. It is said her best friend Mandy is the main cause of divorce, and there was a statement from Lee's attorney that confirmed the said news. The statement said, "Dear Sir, we refer to the above-mentioned matter and we confirm that we act for Philisiwe Khuzwayo, our client. 2. We have been instructed by our client that in and during November 2019, our client and yourself entered into a marriage relationship. 3. We have further been instructed that the aforesaid marriage relationship has irretrievably broken down for reasons that are irrelevant at this stage. 4. In light of our foregoing and prior to instituting costly divorce proceedings, we have been instructed to attempt to resolve the divorce amicably with you. In order to do so, we suggest that both our client and yourself provide our offices with proof of our current assets so that the necessary accrual calculations can take place." Your friends are dangerous. If Mandy really snatched Lee's husband, she will also lose him the same way she got him. Musa also posted images of Mandy and wrote, "Meet Mandy Mdluli, who is Khuzwayo's ex-best friend." Mandy Mdluli is said to be responsible for Khuzwayo and Michael Mhlanga's marriage coming to an end. People reacted on the news. They are saying Mandy is also married and red flags of their relationship were always there. This was after Mandy released a video of Lee drunk while they were on vacation. One tweet said, "OMG, I remember how people kept telling Khuzwayo that she wasn't a good friend after she posted Lee in Dubai while she had passed and tried defending it by saying it was a mistake. That's sad, and she's married as well. Isigaxa esingaka. Some friends are really snakes out there. Unfortunately, there are people claiming to love you, but deep down in their hearts, they wanna live your life. I hope Lee is okay, man. If these rumors of her friend snatching her man are true." Share, like, comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.